So what is up guys, welcome to HET Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing that should you buy the iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9. We all know that iPhone 9 is going to be exactly similar to the iPhone 8 externally, while it is also expected that this iPhone is going to be getting the Apple logo in the middle of the iPhone, while there is going to be a matte back option. The entire glossy finish is going to be going and getting replaced with the matte texture, and overall this will give our iPhone the premium look. But also I want to consider that this is going to be an internal upgrade. Okay, it is going to be getting the Apple's A13 Bionic chip, and overall, does this make any sense? Okay, in United States its price is like $399. When you convert it into Indian rupees, it is going to be somewhere around 27,000 Indian rupees. But if you will see Apple's strategy of pricing an iPhone in India, well, according to the recent reports, I've already made a video on this that says that Apple's iPhone SE2 India pricing is going to be 39,900 rupees. For the pricing of 39,990 rupees, this is supposedly going to be launched in India, and later on the price will be reduced. But just the thing that comes to any person's mind, and that is, should we wait for this iPhone? So number one factor why I would say that you should wait for this iPhone, and that is basically a cheaper iPhone. Okay, if you are planning to get any iPhone in 2019's end or 2020, definitely I would say that go for the iPhone SE2 if your budget is approximately around iPhone 10R. Okay, if you're planning to get the iPhone 10R, then you can go for the iPhone SE2. But if you're planning to go for the iPhone 11, you will definitely go for the iPhone 11. Unless you're planning for any older iPhones like the 6s and 7, then this is definite upgrade. And just let me tell you why you should get this. The overall reason is this is going to be a budget friendly iPhone with the latest internals, as how the iPhone SE did. So basically I would say it's a good iPhone, but here the things start to get little bit tricky. In India it is expected to come with a price tag of 39,990 rupees, which is not at all like a budget friendly pricing. Okay, you're getting a flagship level smartphone in India for the pricing of 17,000 to 20,000, and just if you consider like the iPhone SE2, it is going to be a small little refresh. The display is not going to be a bezel-less, it is going to be a 4.7-inch display, and overall this is not at all a futuristic iPhone. So why should you buy it? Well, like the Redmi K30 is out, which is like for the price tag of 25,000 Indian rupees, you're getting so much great specifications. And the iPhone on the other hand, again, like in iPhone you're getting iOS, and basically that stands apart from any other Android phone, but just overall the hardware and everything is very similar. So my obvious question will be, or the obvious answer for your question is going to be, like, if you want to buy the iPhone SE2, you are mostly welcome. So guys, the pricing of the iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9 in India is expected to be 39,000. Again, it is expected, it is not confirmed, but if Apple will come with like this price tag, that it only makes a lot of sense to buy an iPhone out of India. Suppose you're living in India, you want to buy the iPhone SE2, tell your neighbors or any relatives which lives out of India. Okay, let that be in United States, in Australia, in Japan, in Dubai, anywhere, any other part than India, then you will get for the pricing of $399. Again, like for the price tag of 28,000, the iPhone 9 makes definite sense, but for the price tag of 39,000, again, if you enter the price tag of 30,000 and above, it definitely does not make any sense. And again, you're getting great specifications. The A13 Bionic is a great processor, but you're getting the same exact display which is found in the iPhone 8. And iPhone 8 in India is available for the price tag of 30,000 Indian rupees, and just it only makes a lot of sense for Apple to keep the pricing below 30,000. If they will enter into 30,000 plus kind of category, this definitely does not make any sense. So hope you have liked today's video. In today's video, I just wanted to include this factor that if Apple will come with a price tag of 30,000 below, okay, if in India the iPhone 9 or the iPhone SE2 will come for the pricing below 30,000, then this definitely makes a lot of sense. But if the price tag will be more than 30,000, it does not make any sense. And just basically I wanted to cover in today's video that this is a great smartphone except for the display. Okay, this is going to be the exact same display which is found from the iPhone 6 era, and just it does not make any sense in 2019 or 2020. So if you have liked today's video, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And I also want to say, I love iPhone SE. I will love iPhone SE2, but the thing that really is annoying is the value for the money category. Okay, like the iPhone SE2 is a great iPhone, but if it cannot fit in the value for the money category, then it does not make any sense or just does not make any way for us to buy it. So if you have liked today's video, I was a little bit sick in these couple of days, so I was not able to make lots of videos. Sorry for that, but I am now again back with new updates from Apple's ecosystem. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.